When working with HTML, we always use classes to give the elements a specific look and feel with CSS. To select elements with the same class, we can use document.getElementsByClassName. Let's look at an example. To code along with me, first download the course folder from the link in the description below and open it with your favorite code editor. Here I'm using Visual Studio Code. From the course folder, open the exercise folder called JavaScript Done. And then open the index.html file in the browser. In the index.html file, remember to link app.js file. And now I'll start by adding few things which are not car brand's name to the list and give them a class of not car. Then we'll see how to select them based on their class. So first, right below BMW, I'll add a list item with the text of Apple and with the class of not car. I'll go ahead and copy this list item and paste two more. Let's say right above Ford. And I'll call the top one as dog and the bottom one as tree. I'll save the change. Then in the app.js, first I'll just copy the JavaScript codes we wrote in the previous lecture. Then paste a new one right below. And here I'm going to replace few things. So first, let's start by updating the myList variable here to not car. And then we'll update the word tag to class. Now the class we want is not car, so I'll pass it into this method. And inside the for loop, I'll replace all the instances of myList with not car. So now the question is, what do we want to do with these not car items? Well, normally we might want to hide them or remove them, but for now let's update their color to pink. So now let's go through what's going on here. With this first code block, the entire list items will become purple. Then with the second code block, just the list items of the not car class will become pink. So they will change color 2 times. But it will probably happen too fast to be able to see it. I'll save the change. Refresh the page. And you can see that all the not car items are now pink. Good. So up next, I'll teach you how document.querySelector and document.querySelector all methods work and how to use them.